It took this rescuer an entire week to earn the trust of this helpless puppy who had been cruelly abandoned. Ellie kept slowly getting closer and closer to him, but he was terrified of people. But every time I got close, she would run away. I hope that one day you'll be able to trust me. She could only watch from a distance, hoping he would eat and drink. One day, he finally came close enough to her, and Ellie was able to pet him. Ellie managed to slip a leash onto Pedro and was finally able to bring him home. But unfortunately, he was still terrified of both people and other dogs. She was determined to help Pedro get back on his feet. He finally recovered enough to be introduced to the rest of the pack. Pedro quickly became one of the friendliest dogs at the rescue. A remarkable transformation from the frightened dog they first found. But now, it's finally time to help Pedro find his forever home.